Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming permissions and where the booking lives. This speeds everything up. Open mail or messages first. Tickets often arrive there. If you saved a boarding pass, open wallet. Once done, scan subject lines or conversations for the airline and flight number. That 2-second check avoids long searches. If you use an airline app or booking site in Safari, sign in now so live updates will appear. Make sure notifications are on so push alerts can reach you. Now dig into the message or app and find the itinerary. You want the flight number and scheduled time. Tap the confirmation or boarding pass to reveal gate, terminal, seat, and baggage rules. If the airline supports it, add the pass to wallet. That enables automatic updates and lock screen notifications. For Safari bookings, look for a tracking link or manage my booking. Signing in gives real-time status. If you see code shares, note both flight numbers to avoid confusion. Finish by enabling tracking and saving the pass to wallet so updates show on your lock screen. Use maps to locate the terminal and calculate travel time. That prevents last-minute rushes. If you need confirmation on baggage or seat changes, open the airline app and check Manage Booking. Make sure you're signed in to see full details. If details don't load, force quit and reopen the app, pull to refresh Safari, or call the airline. Often a quick re-sign-in fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.